Hello again, and welcome everyone to another episode of Michael's Munchies. Today I have another Ben & Jerry's flavor. This one is like another talk show flavor. It is the Tonight Dough, starring Jimmy Fallon. It has caramel and chocolate ice cream, and it's mixed with cookie dough swirls, gobs of chocolate chip cookie dough, and peanut butter cookie dough. Chocolate cookie swirls. Okay, so it has chocolate cookie swirls, but it also has two things of cookie dough. Is that three things of cookie dough? But a lot of cookie dough in caramel ice cream and chocolate ice cream. So, I don't know if I've had this one before, but so to try. Oh, there's a lot of chocolate there. Is this a cookie swirl? Thin layer of it. So chocolate. And there's just the ice cream. See if I can get any actual cookie dough chunks. I think that might be one. Yeah. Alright. And you can see there's the cat Goku playing with a piece of plastic. So that's wonderful. But it mostly smells like peanut butter. Let's give it a try. Okay. Yeah, a lot going on. You got a lot of chocolate, then a lot of peanut butter, and then cookie dough. So let's see if we can get another big old chunk here. Give it a try. They work. They actually work well together. It just seems like there's a lot in here. A lot of different things working at once. I mean, it's mostly just cookie dough, but it says cookie swirls and two different kinds of cookie dough. And then, so, let's give it a try. You can't have any Goku. Sorry, no. Stop looking. Okay. It's good. It's good. It seemed like I wasn't sure about it first because I mean, there's a lot. There's just so much, but it is good. It does work well together. I will say that. If you really like chocolate, definitely, because there's a lot of it in here. And yeah, if you like peanut butter, because it's very peanut buttery. If you're allergic, obviously avoid it. But yeah, because I thought it might have been something similar to like a chocolate chip cookie dough blizzard, but it's not. It's that plus more. So yeah, not bad. I'll have one more spoonful. Yeah, that one was mostly caramel, the caramel ice cream. So, all right, very good, very good. Surprisingly better than I thought it would be, but still surprising. That there's a lot going on, and how well it actually works together. So that's really good. So yeah, be sure to give it a try if you can. If you have had it, let me know what your thoughts are. But all in all, I'll give it like an 8 out of 10 because it does work well together, but there is kind of a lot of stuff and it's very chocolatey. It hasn't gotten overly chocolate yet, but I feel it wouldn't be long before I would have to stop to be over chocolated, whatever. So yeah, thank you for watching, everyone. Sure to follow my Instagram and check out on Facebook. And until next time, enjoy your food.